Hello, everybody. It's your girl Say. If you new here, hey, my name is Say. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Don't subscribe yet. Watch this video first, just to see if you like it or not. So, today, I need my hair done. So today we're gonna be doing the hair maintenance because I got a wig. I didn't feel like buying another wig, so I got a used wig. This is the used wig. I got this wig from I Show Hair. I don't know how long I had this wig, to be honest, but I know I didn't have it for more than I said like 2 years. So yeah, this is the frontal. Like, this is the frontal. Hair's still good, but it's just like, I need a new frontal. So I'm just like, okay, I don't know what to do with it. So I'm thinking about going to get a frontal. So the hair store, $90 for a frontal. I'm not doing. No, get that for somebody else. No, get that for somebody else. So I found the cheaper way out. I went on Amazon and I had got me a 13x4, I believe, frontal. And it had came. So this is the 13x4 frontal. It is a 13x4. Okay, it's a 13. So this is a 13x4. Frontal, good hair, love it. It's gonna do for what I needed to do. You know, it was actually like $30-something. $36 on Amazon for this frontal. And yeah, so I'm gonna take this frontal off because it's done with. Take this frontal off and replace it with this frontal. So we're just gonna take this frontal off. So come with me and take this frontal off first and make sure we install it on the wig. And then we got a new wig. Boom. Period. So come with me and we finna do all that. Come with me, we finna do all that good stuff. Period. Okay, y'all, so I gotta bend down. We in my room and I'm gonna have to speed this up because my boo in there, he washing dishes. And if he sees me, he'll be mad because I'm calling him my boo. So, okay, I'm gonna speed this part up. Okay, y'all, so I'm finna bring the frontal wig out the bag and I'm gonna straighten it out before I take the frontal off and replace it with another frontal. So yeah, keep watching. I hope y'all loving this video because yeah. Okay, so now I'm starting to take the frontal off. I thought I was gonna be able to do it with a rat tail comb, but no, I had to grab that out the bag and yeah, get to work. So yeah, watch me take this off real quick and then I'm gonna come back when I am sewing the other frontal to the wig. So yeah. Okay, so here I am finna sew the frontal onto the wig. I'm trying to show y'all a little bit of what I'm doing. So I pinned it close as I could to the back of the wig so it can, you know, be easier for me to sew in. But that little old needle was not doing me justice, but I made it work. I am gonna speed up this part also because it took me forever to sew it in and I did not want y'all to watch me struggling, of course. So yeah. Y'all, look at me struggling, trying to put that little needle through and everything. I was just struggling, but I'm like, let me speed this up because I do not want them to see me struggling putting this little needle through this thick old hair. So yeah. Okay, everybody, this is how the wig turned out. It turned out to my liking. Keep in mind that I am not like a licensed or anything hairstylist. I just do anything. Well, I just do this for fun because I love to do it. And I just want to share with y'all how much I love to do hair and stuff. So this is gonna be the end of the video, and I do thank you guys for watching and the much love and support. Love you guys, and bye. I guess just stitching the frontal on the other part. So I hope y'all like the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, see y'all. Bye.